What's going on everybody, it's Sean here, back today with another New Balance review. So in today's video, I'll be talking about the New Balance 997 in the Seasonal Colors colorway. This pair dropped earlier this year around March, and from what I know, I don't think they actually released in Canada, and I'm not sure about the US. So I bought this pair over at Sneaker District in the Netherlands, and it cost me about 300 Canadian dollars shipped, which is about 220 USD. The official product code for this shoe is M997SOA, and I've seen online there's a ton of nicknames for this shoe ranging from seasonal colors to pastel to even the phrase less is more. Whatever you want to call it though, this is a very clean New Balance release and one that I'm super happy to add to my collection. So diving straight into the shoe, starting off with the toe box, here we have this mesh which is done in this off-white color. Surrounding the outer edge of the toe box, we have this mint green or pastel green colored suede, which is consistent with the high quality that New Balance materials are usually done in. Next to this, we have this white colored 3M, which gives off that reflective property when exposed to direct light. And then on the mid panel of both sides of the sneaker, we have this gray colored suede. Stitched on top, we have the New Balance N logo, which is done in this white reflective 3M material with this under layer of blue. Next to this, we have this white colored TPU to give you added structure and stability towards the sides of the shoe. And then surrounding the top of the back heel, we have this tan colored suede. Below this, we have another hit of white colored 3M. And then you'll see the majority of the back heel is covered in this royal blue colored suede. Stitched on the very top, we have this New Balance branding, which is embroidered in white. And then surrounding the bottom of the back heel, we have this gray or off-white colored TPU heel clip to give you added structure and support on the back heel of the sneaker. For the laces, so nothing special here, these come with your standard white colored flat lace. And then underneath this, we have the tongue. And then the top of the tongue is constructed out of a pastel pink or pastel red colored suede, with New Balance made in USA branding embroidered in white. The inner liner of these 997s is lined in this very soft light blue or pastel blue colored textile, and then these come with your standard black colored New Balance insole, and on the heel we have New Balance branding stamped on in white. So the upper of these 997s sits atop this all white colored midsole, which incorporates New Balance's end cap technology. On the heel we have both 997 New Balance branding along with end cap branding. And end cap is one of New Balance's bread and butter sneaker technologies, which in plain English is basically a tougher polyurethane rim, basically in the shape of a horseshoe, with a softer foam in the center. Turning the shoe over to the bottom, so here we have your classic New Balance 997 outsole. So for the most part, this is constructed out of this gray colored rubber, but we have this sliver of exposed foam underneath the medial edge. For those wondering how these fit the same to me as all my other New Balance 997s. So for me, I personally stick true to size. My feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I picked these up in a size 10 and they fit me great. While my true size is a size 10, I wear between a 9.5 and a 10 in most New Balances. And because I find that the 997 is a bit more narrow around this toe box area, sticking true to size for me fits better. If you have narrow or normal width feet, then you can probably get away with going a half size down, but because of the width of my feet, I don't want that discomfort on the sides, especially around the pinky toe area. So for that reason, I just deal with the extra space in the toe, and it's perfectly fine from a width perspective. Next up, in terms of the comfort on this shoe, unfortunately, I don't find that the New Balance 997 is that comfortable. Even when you compare it to other models like the 998, the 992, or the 993, I find that the 997 is quite stiff, especially underneath this heel area right here. It kind of feels like you're standing on a very tough, very sturdy platform, and that's because the end cap technology I was talking to you guys about earlier, it feels pretty stiff on feet, and it is quite elevated compared to the forefoot of the shoe. Finally, in terms of the quality of this shoe, as with most made in USA New Balances, this shoe was very nice. From a material standpoint, the suedes felt very premium in hand, and also from a craftsmanship standpoint, I had zero issues on my pair. This pair was very well made, and overall, I'm a very happy customer. So with all that out of the way now, let's lace up these 997s and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. I might be sounding like a broken record by now, but honestly guys, this 997 is another banger by New Balance. I love all the muted tones of this shoe, but at the same time they've incorporated color with this green on the toe box, the red tongue, and the blue heel. So it's not a boring shoe, but at the same time it's muted down so that you can pretty much wear it with a lot of things. I think this is going to be a great shoe for both summer, and you can also wear it during the fall as well. And again, like I said from the start, this is a pair I'm just very excited to add to my collection. So let me know in the comment section down below how you guys feel about this New Balance 997. Do you guys like the color scheme of the shoe, and what are your general thoughts of the 997 as a silhouette itself? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at sgo8. Check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next review.